Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to start dropshipping with no money 2026, a beginner's guide. All right guys, so most of the time people feel they need a lot of money to begin dropshipping. A lot of people feel like they actually need to have some huge amount of money to get into dropshipping, but that's not how it works. You could actually start dropshipping for free, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get into this process. So, in this video, you're going to need to understand the strategy of how it works, and then I'll be showing you how beginners can start with like $0. All right, so your first step is understanding what no money actually means, like starting something without money. No money simply means no upfront investments. It's basically using tools or services, that's free tools and free services, where you would be paying for these tools and services. It's not like you're starting from scratch with zero. You're basically going to be taking advantage of free services, free trials, and the likes. So, like I said, no money doesn't mean no tools, it just means an upfront investment. It just means no upfront investments. You also use free trials. You make use of free platforms like Shopify. They offer a 3-day free trial in order to start, but I wouldn't really recommend because after 3 days, you're going to need to find at least $1 to pay for the subscription. And also, you also get to use organic traffic instead of ads. So if you're someone who has, a social media account that is going somewhere, or you just have a social media account, you can post your content on there for free. Social media is free for the most part. It is advertisements that isn't. So you can make use of your social media's algorithm to simply post your content, and you would most likely get an audience or viewers. All right, so moving on to the next step, picking a free selling platform. So instead of using Shopify, you could actually use other platforms. We have platforms like TikTok Shop. We have Amazon bestsellers, that's Amazon. We have the Facebook Marketplace, and we also have Etsy, which is basically for digital products. So you can use it for print on demand services. So basically, Etsy is a dropshipping platform, but it's most widely renowned as a print on demand section. So it has one of the best print on demand sections for any dropshipping platform. All right, so I'll be starting with TikTok Shop. These platforms can help you handle your traffic. They don't require monthly fees, and you can sell immediately. So as soon as you can get started, you can actually start selling on these platforms without having to lift a finger or swipe a credit card. All right, so your next step is now finding products that already sell. Most people like to start from scratch, and when I mean start from scratch, I mean start from scratch by simply creating their own products. Why go through that stress when you can just simply copy a pattern that works? When you can simply make use of a pattern that already exists and is proven, tested, and profitable. You could simply take advantage of that and make use of it on your own store. All right, so you don't have to guess for a product. All you need to do is use a free method. You could make use of the TikTok search, that's the TikTok search algorithm, to simply type in TikTok made me buy. You could simply curate this into your TikTok. Just simply ask on the search bar of your TikTok application or website, and you would find the trending products. You could even use a website. There is a website for it. All you need to do is simply type in TikTok trends on your search and simply hit enter. Once you have done this, you're going to find the TikTok Creative Center. All you need to do is click on TikTok trends, click on it, and it's going to open up in a new tab. Once it does open up in a new tab, you're going to see what is actually trending on the creative part of TikTok and how you can take advantage of products that already exist and people are already making use of. All right, so moving on from there, you could also try Amazon bestsellers. So, Amazon is an amazing platform, it's one of the biggest platforms in existence when it comes to sales. So you could simply make use of Amazon's bestsellers. So you can browse and discover millions of products, read customer reviews, and find the bestsellers and just simply copy it. And I'm going to even be dropping a bombshell. You could message the people who are selling on Amazon, come into an agreement with them, and they would act as a supplier and you act as a courier for them. All you need to do is just provide them with an address and they will deliver your goods over there, and all you need to do is split the profits. They take their percentage when it comes to the normal sales, while you take yours for advertising the product and whatnot. All right. So another platform you can also try is AliExpress. So you could simply check AliExpress for people's comments, their reviews, and simply try to curate your product around it. It's just like the Amazon bestsellers. Let's go ahead and click on this link. So when you open up the bestsellers, like I said, you could simply communicate with the people who sell on Amazon. Like you could communicate with them, come to an arrangement for a product. So you can see 8,000 people bought this in the last month, and you can see how much it was going for. Now, if you simply click on this product, you can see it's sponsored, which actually costs money. Now, you can simply do yours for free by creating a Amazon affiliate program, joining their affiliate programs, and just simply sharing links. That way, you get to make a profit without even drop shipping. But that is not the point of this video. I'm just telling you what you can do. All right, so your next step is getting your products without paying, which I just heavily explained by telling you that you could actually communicate with the people who sell these products. All you need to do is just reach out to them, and you would be able to communicate with them about the product and simply come into a partnership so they can sell for you, they can be your supplier while you just help them with customers. All right, so the options you have for this are AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Zendrop, and Amazon. Now, moving on, we also have the option to reinvest your first profits. So, your profits from this business should be put into your business, such as creating ads, and other things like upgrading to Shopify. So you could simply upgrade to the Shopify platform. You could also increase your orders by improving the speed at which you deliver your products and also running advertisements. All right, guys. So that's how you can go about drop shipping without paying any money. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.